Welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. 2015, maybe 2016, sorry. Chevy Traverse, bad transmission. The engine and transmission are out. Engine is sitting on the K-frame still. Old transmission is right here. And you got your drive shaft, cross member, Y pipe, both exhaust manifolds, front left axle, front right axle, starter, thermostat housing, transfer case, and then plastics. Big job. About 7 hours in, halfway done. Also had broken bolts and a lot of rust on this one, so it fought quite a ways, but we're halfway there. She's out. Hey, buddy, thanks for watching.